How to block apps from accessing internet on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Then click on apps and notifications in the settings. After you've clicked on apps and notifications, click on Instagram. After you click on Instagram or any other apps, what you can do is click on mobile data and Wi-Fi. In here, you'll find disable Wi-Fi. Simply turn it on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. Then it will stop this app from using internet. You can repeat the process to all the apps you want. And this is how to block apps from accessing internet on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.